Start பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Ratish, define circuit breaker.
It is electrically safety device that automatically stop off flow of the current, such as overload and short circuit. It protect electrical equipments, wiring and human protect or fire.
Type of circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker classified in main two types: low voltage circuit breaker, high voltage circuit breaker. Low voltage circuit breaker: Elcb, Mpcb, Mccb, Rccb, Rcbo, Mcb.
High voltage.
Oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, air circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker.
Define MCB.
Miniature circuit breaker.
Function of MCB.
It protect electrical circuit, overload and short circuit.
Current rating of MCB.
Up to 125 amp.
Application of MCB.
Domestic and light commercial purpose.
Type of production.
Overload and short circuit.
In above circuit breaker, which one is MCB?
So this is M6.
How many poles in that MCB?
2 pole amps.
Current rating.
32 amps.
Type of
C type.
Krishna, define MCCB.
Motor based circuit breakers.
Function of MCCB.
It protect overload short circuit some models.
Current rating of MCCB.
Up to 2500 amps.
Application of MCCB.
Industrial, commercial with high powers.
In above circuit breaker, which one is MCCB? In this MCCB, how many poles?
4 poles.
Current rating of this MCCB.
125. Yeah, 125 amps.
Power rating of this MCCB.
10 kV.
Jyoti Krishna, define RCCB.
Residual current circuit breaker.
Function of RCCB.
Protect against earth fault leakage current prevents electric shock.
Current rating of RCCB.
Up to 100 amp.
Application of RCCB.
Residential, commercial.
Type of production.
Earth fault protection.
In above circuit breaker, which one is RCCB? How many poles in that RCB?
So 2 poles.
Current rating of RCCB.
25 amps.
Gautam, define RCBO.
So residual current breaker with over current protection.
Function of RCBO.
Combining feature of MCB and RCCB to protect against overload, short circuit and earth fault.
Current rating of RCBO.
Up to 125 amps.
Application of RCBO.
Residual, commercial settings requiring comprehensive protection.
Type of production.
Over current, short circuit and earth fault protection.
In above circuit breaker, which one is RCBO?
This one is
How many poles in that RCBO?
2 poles.
Location, define MPCB.
Motor production circuit breaker.
Function of MPCB.
Specially designed to protect motors from overload short circuit phase failures.
Current rating of MPCB.
Depends on motor size.
Application of MPCB.
Industrial motor.
Type of production.
Tailored production for motor including thermal and magnetic production.
In above circuit breaker, which one is MPCB? How many poles in that MPCB?
3 poles, sir.
Current rating of this MPCB.
2.5 amp.
Witness, define ELCB.
Earth circuit breaker.
Function of ELCB.
It protect against earth fault, detecting voltage provide to disconnected circuit.
Current rating of ELCB.
Lower requires earth fault productions.
Application of ELCB.
Residential and commercial.
Type of production.
Earth fault protection but less sensitive compared to RCCB.
Operation.
Trip when a voltage difference detecting earth neutral.
In above circuit breaker, which one is ELCB? Darshan. Function of isolator.
The manual switch used to connect or disconnect the power supply.
Current rating of isolator.
Various depends on applications.
Application of isolator.
Used in residential, commercial and industrials.
Type of production.
Provides on protection of electrical faults.
Darshan, in this above one, which one is isolator?
So this one is isolator, sir.
How many poles in that isolator?
2 volts, sir.
Current rating of isolator.
40 amps, sir.